Welcome back. Um, Today is going to be a pack opening. I kind of lost my train of thought, but um, these packs came out. What Mission Mutt limited Gold 99 Justin Simmons and Tua. Tua's not a 99, but and there's like a Night Train Lane, which is like the best card in the set thing. I don't know. Let's just get into it. I'm stuttering. Um, oh, that's sick. 91. 91. Imagine that. Really nice animation. Joshua Dobbs. I wonder if you can pull. No, I don't think so. I was gonna say, I wonder if you can pull the Night Train Lane, but I don't think you can, so it doesn't really even matter. AKA, damn. Ooh, 93. That ain't bad. It's gonna be like my only big card though. One more pack. Ooh, 100K. That wasn't too bad of a pack opening, but oh my god, why did I stutter? But not stutter, but like kind of mess up my word. Anyways, but yeah, it wasn't too bad. We're gonna keep going, obviously, but I kind of want to check out the sets for y'all and to see what I can do with the sets. There it is. All right. So I can't get a 91 plus, but Jimmy Smith and Antonio Gates are the 98s. I need a 89 or 90 or 88. My bad. I don't know if that's really worth it, but let's see what this other one was. I think this would be 99 Night Train Lane. He's a solid card. He ain't too bad, but yeah. All right, so I sold some players, and we are going to open these 80. I won't show you like the common strategy or uncommon. So if I'm down, like, more training than I would be, that's why. Ooh, another one. Ooh, that's got to go for something. Let's check that out. Almost 200. I'm going to just throw it up for like 181 maybe. Yeah, why not? Not too bad. Alright, let's see. Hey, another one. Let's go. I'm going to check all of these just in case they go for more than 100K. And that's not worth it. Alright. Yeah. Let's see what we get in this one. Ooh, high redux. 91. Damn. Alright. Oh well. Quick sell that. Don't get my training back, but it's alright. Let's see what we get here. No way. Another one. That's crazy. How much does this one go for? Not enough that I want to, waste my time trying to sell it. Some coins. It's better than an 80. But yeah, if y'all want me to do anything, like for anything y'all want to see, like in Madden or 2K, comment down below. But yeah, I haven't been doing much of this because I'm trying to get back into it. Even if not a lot of people watch, I like doing it for, why not? Feel me? And yeah. But we're still going to open packs and stuff like that. But anyways. Yeah. I just hope y'all like it. And if y'all are watching this far, I hope y'all are happy that I'm back, I guess. I don't know. Like my stuff. Who knows? But I'm glad I'm back, so yeah. 93, not bad. 91. Yeah, there's probably not going to be much, like, good cards that I'm going to get out of here, so it's whatever. Big one. 89. We can do that one set. $93. Let's go. Alright, that's better than a common or an uncommon. $82. Oh no. Not great. Alright, we didn't get much out of those. The rest of it, I think it was like 2 or 3 of them. Yeah, we didn't get much. 91. The animation's sick, I'm not gonna lie. 93. Let's go. Another one. Alright, I opened a couple more, or the rest of the packs. I didn't get anything good. I got 92s, that's about it. 85. And then I opened a couple TVPs off camera. Well, I just cut them out, but they were trash, so I didn't want to bore y'all. 85, let's go. Well, yeah. Alright, let's open another pack. 91, 91. Man, I got robbed out of these packs. Let's see what we get out of here. It's probably going to be a 91, but at least I tried. Yep, alright. Oh well. Alright, I'm going to open one of these and see what we get. Alright. 85, let's go. Ooh, 87. Pretty decent first round. Ooh, big one. Let's go, 94. Alright, I put D-Hop on the auction block, and I can do one of these 91 pluses. Let's 96, 93 maybe. No, alrighty then. Alright. Well, this TVP will be the last pack of the video, but yeah. Even if we get anything bad, oh well, I guess. I had fun. Hope y'all liked the video. And, yeah. I just want to do more what you guys like. And I'm pretty bad at naming titles, so... Alright, we didn't get anything good, but 93 was our best pull, so it wasn't that good. But I hope y'all liked the video. See y'all in the next one. Hope y'all have a damn good day. Goodbye.